Hello student, today we will see the different topics related to the example of the multimedia. The first example is advertising. In the advertising, you can first see in your book, advertising uses multimedia intensively to convey a message to the masses. Masses means the mass of the publicity for the different peoples, and lot of peoples can get the advantages from that advertisement. Products are not promoted using a single media any longer. If someone wants to advertise his product, then a single media is not good. He should, or they should, publicity for the product in the different type of media, and media should be the different, maybe in the form of mobile, maybe in the form of videos or short videos, over the TV channels, over the movies, and can give the advertisement into the newspapers also. These are the different media for using the promotion of the product through the advertisement. A multimedia advertisement is similar to a movie. Multimedia advertisement means more than one media, and the advertisement is similar to the movie. Movie is made up of short movie and long movie. So advertisement can be displayed with the short movie because it just give the message to the masses. Masses means the peoples available for watching that type of advertisement, that can buy the product, they can buy the product and they can use it. Up to that type of peoples, advertisement can reach very easily. It generates a lot of interest among the masses with amazing result. Why it creates the interest to the peoples, or the interest towards the masses? You can see the image over your textbook. The use email save paper image is there. Why you getting interest? Because there is a single tree, and in between the tree there is a face also that attracts your eyes towards that type of picture. Just like that, advertisement process continues to attract the eyes of the people over that proper product advertisement, and can get the message, different written text message. You can see multimedia is there because there is a combination of picture and text. We have already seen the types of multimedia, so advertising is also plays an important role in multimedia. The second type is entertainment. The rapid growth of entertainment industry has been made possible by the multimedia. Multimedia helps to promote any product, or to promote any film, or promotion of any topic over the TV, or over the mobile, or over the social media. You can get the detailed idea with the help of the multimedia, and entertainment is very popular among all the peoples. Entertainment industry has been made possible by the multimedia. Eye-catching special effect used in the movies are the result of multimedia. Multimedia games are a craze gaming among the children and elders alike. You already have heard about different type of games. You know different games you are playing right now from your childhood timing. Why you play the different game? Because you get attracts from that video. Even the small children in your house, the little baby also get enjoy from the multimedia effects, multimedia videos. You can see the car is running over a road, but just it is not the simple video. You can see very clearly by zooming that image. You can see the picture is showing very attractive place. Why it is showing very attractive place? The place is contains with the hills. You can see the ice is also there. You can see the car designing is very best, and the multimedia effect help with the image is very good looking, so everyone can get enjoy, everyone can get. Again we move to our topic. Entertainment can use in every field. You can see today many student makes their own project with the help of multimedia. They can mix the text, different videos, they can make the different images also for the good presentation of the video or good presentation of their topic. Right now you are also watching this video with the help of my own image, own picture video and your textbook image. This is the also way of multimedia. The next topic is education. In education, it is rightly said that a picture is worth 1,000 words. The human brain learns using many senses such as sight and hearing among others. A monotonous lecture can be extremely informative but boring. The monotonous lecture that is not made up of multimedia effects. Just teacher explain the topic after sitting over a chair and can't show the image, can't show the uses for the topic. Student get bored at that time. If teacher is explaining the different example for the current topic or can participate the student into it, then and then only student get the interest during the learning. A lecture that integrate picture or a video image makes it very interesting. When the topic get very interesting, it contains the picture or video or the image. If it contains the good sound, that time only the student get enjoy from that type of video and can get the more information related to that type of video. Right now you can watch this video and instead of that you can watch over your book also and hear the voice. You can listen the voice of related video. You can clearly note your own notes into your notebook very clearly. So the student can get the more knowledge with the help of the sound, images and different videos, can become more attractive and more interesting topic in the field of education with the help of that type of multimedia. It helps an individual learn and retain information much more effectively. I have already told about that topic very clearly. You have already understand. Student, I am giving the example for the respective type of topics, but you should have to write down in your notebook very properly what you learned not, I don't want to write the same topic written into your textbook. You can write into your own words what you have learned from that type of topics. You can give different examples also into your notebook. Multimedia has been used in the field of education effectively to teach individuals a wide range of subject. You can learn the range of the different subject with that multimedia videos. Hello student, you can get the different type of knowledge from that video, and you can create your own notes in your own words. So please watch that video, like that video, and do study very hard while you are at the home. So study hard and note it into your notebook what you have already learned from that video. Okay, thank you.